Hi, I'm Diane Scott, and I'm Senior Solution Engineer at VMware. I've been volunteering in the VMware Hands-on Lab program for the past 3 years. I'm currently working on the vSAN Getting Started Lab for version 7. Come explore the components and capabilities within vSAN 7 and learn how to configure, manage upgrades, enhance availabilities, monitors, and optimize workload performance. Within vSAN 7, we explain the benefits of storage-based policy management. We will also introduce a native file system, which allows you to leverage the vSAN cluster to create and present NFS file shares. vSAN File Services extends vSAN capabilities to files including availability, security, storage efficiency, and operation management. We've also announced the Cloud Native Storage, which allows you to have a persistent volumes for Kubernetes clusters. A critical aspect of enabling the vSAN data store is to validate the health of the environment. vSAN has over 100 out-of-the-box health checks to not only validate initial health but also report ongoing runtime health. vSAN 7 introduced exciting new ways to monitor the health capabilities and performance of your cluster with the visualized operation. Thank you very much.